guys? Is it day 5? April 2nd? I think you guys recognize these two guys. So this is my solution. Oops. This is my solution. I was saying I don't know what else to do because I can't get these turkeys to come in. Well, I brought reinforcements today. I'm gonna see if we could
3 guys.
put one turkey down with 3 people because they keep running around me. So I guess we'll just corral them this time. I think it's 5:30 right now. So we have about 40 minutes until first light. And we're like a 45-minute walk to the back. You guys can't see them, but I just dropped them off. Now I'm gonna go to my spot. A spot I've never hunted. You can see it back there, but my uncle's back there. He's watching it. And my cousin's gonna go back to the spot where I've been calling them in for the past few days. He's got an air rifle today, and he's a youth hunter, so maybe he's got the youth luck. Good luck to them, good luck to me. Wish us luck, guys. Hopefully we get something down. We freaking did it, guys. I didn't get it. Check it out. We all got shot that turkey, right?
He missed one.
I shot it and it didn't go down. 20 gauge, 18-inch barrel, it's a no good. So did they come to the decoy or they're just there?
They came to the decoy.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Sweet. They didn't even came, they saw mine. They didn't give a damn about mine. All 4 of them looked at mine and they just kept going. And there's 6 females with them. Yeah, let's go down. You can leave the stuff here. Woo, guys. I'm sorry that I didn't get the shots on camera. I left them, like I said, I put them where I've been calling turkeys, and they've been coming into me. So I put them there, and I came to a new spot, and they freaking got it done, because they got the right guns. I don't. I got a short little 18-inch barrel. Doubled up on 2 toms. No, there's a lot of turkey here. Like I said, I'm so happy. When I saw you guys' turkey, I was like, who the hell put turkeys on the side of the road? And I was like, oh, there's got to be Uncle. Anyways, these guys are from Merced. I finally decided to invite these guys to help me because, man, these turkeys have been giving me the runaround. I've called these turkeys into me multiple times, and they finally got it done. Like true masters like they are. I just couldn't get it done. Well, these two got it done. I took a shot at a turkey today too, and I missed pretty bad. Yeah, this is how you guys get it done. California turkeys.
When I heard Gary shot the gun, I thought he got one, but he missed it. So it's a nice day. Thank Gary. We got the turkey. Nice day. We'll hunt again next time.
Sorry guys, I wish I would have got the shot on camera, but I wasn't with them. Yeah. I have no idea how happy I am that these things are down.
Yeah, we're happy
where it
too.
came from. Where was walking like right here. He came right to the turkey.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you get? Oh, you didn't record and come to that decoy, huh?
No, I was like, oh, I just gotta shoot.
It's okay, dude. That's all I need you to do.
Limit within 30 minutes. Look at Chris. He got a big tom.
This guy is freaking badass. He shot a pig with me. Now he shoots turkey with me. I'm stoked.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. So once again, that's my uncle. You guys seen him on video a couple times. It's my cousin Chris. He's been on my video a couple times. I knew these guys would get a turkey down. I freaking knew it.
Yep.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it. We're gonna go
Somewhere else. We're gonna go around.
We might go get me one. I'm happy going home. I mean, I'm down with just 2 turkeys.
We're gonna go look for another one.
Got one more turkey, but I only have a few minutes left on my camera. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. Alright guys, thanks for tagging along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. He's got video of the turkey coming, but he doesn't have the video of the turkey coming to the decoy. So it came to my hen decoy. So I'm happy that it works. Like I said, they weren't here to record. I was just kind of hoping they would just shoot. So that's what they did, and I'm happy about that. I ended up chasing a turkey way down, probably like half a mile, because they just did not care about my Jake decoy. So I chased him pretty far, and I snuck up on him, and then I thought 40 yards was good enough, but I guess not. When I patterned it, 40 yards was hitting, so I was wrong. Now I know. No more shotgun. You can come out with my bow. Alright, peace out, guys. Till the next video. 2 more turkeys to go. Well, for these 2 guys. I still got 3 turkeys. See how that goes. Till the next one, guys. We just got some assistance from those people behind us right there. They kindly told us how to get back to where we need to go find some birds. But they also said there's going to be a ton of people, so that's no fun. Yeah. Well, good news is at least we found 1 turkey already. It's a hen, but it's one hen. I wonder if the male got shot already or something. Those guys that just told us, they were like, I don't know if he said they were super nice or that was super nice of us. I just heard something nice. I don't know what they said, but they said something like that. Man, I don't know about this spot. There's a bunch of cars. There's a lot of cars going down to the trailhead. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm thinking we should just park here and walk the trailheads. There's a spot right there. This is trailhead right there.
You could try.
Yeah, let's try that. Because this here is all public land, so. And there's a hen here, so there's turkeys here. But it's just one hen. And we've already got 2 turkeys down, we just need 1 more. So we're just gonna walk the trail actually. That's what I like to see when I come hunting. No motor vehicle. I love seeing that. That means, and there is literally just hike. That's the road to the trailhead. We've only been here for a few minutes and I don't know, like 7 or 8 cars already passed us up. Oh, I heard a turkey. Yep. So you don't know that they're coming? Oh, that turkey. Yeah. I'm quiet. Yeah. They come to your call, but then you don't stop. So we made our way pretty close to Lewis Creek Trail. In case you guys are wondering where we're at. I think it's this pretty cool. Double check it. Pretty sure it's Lewis Creek Trail. Oh, it's Lewis Fork. But the Lewis Creek is very close to here. Pretty sure that's the waterfall they were telling us earlier. I've been there multiple times. Oh. We've been here roughly 30 minutes and we heard 1 gunshot. We've seen 1 turkey. We heard 1 turkey right there. But so we've seen hens. Somebody took a shot. No gobblers.